This is an exciting day for advancing Additive 2.0 into the dental market, as we announce our partnership with Carbon and the validation of our market-leading brand Flexcera on the Carbon platform.
With this partnership with Desktop Health, our customers now have access to even more of the best materials available on the planet, starting with the Flexcera family of resins.
Demand for our premium family of Flexcera resins has been overwhelming in the marketplace, and this is the first time that we've offered our proprietary resin to another 3D printing hardware provider.
Desktop Health's reputation speaks for itself, and we want to provide our customers with quality resins that expand their capabilities.
Carbon customers love their service model and have been asking for our premium Flexcera material for years. Today, white glove service meets premium material properties in this landmark partnership. Flexcera is a hybrid nano-ceramic resin with lifelike luster and high fracture and moisture resistance, and delivers the perfect blend of strength and beauty for long-term durability that doctors, labs, and patients alike can rely on. Flexcera Smile Ultra Plus is a market leader in fabricating temporary and permanent restoratives and removables. Available in both natural tooth and gingiva shades to personalize patient care and deliver the fit and finish that patients are looking for in their smiles. The smooth surface resolution translates into easy finishing and stunning results.
We're excited to continue this partnership, providing the very best materials to our customers so they can provide the very best care to their patients.
We are always innovating and continuing our work advancing and developing premium performance dental materials for additive dentistry, and we are just getting started.